Outlook's Tasks feature is designed to make it easy to stay on top of your responsibilities, whether big or small, to help break down your day, track progress, and finish tasks with confidence. So let's take a look at it. So in Outlook, in the menu on the left, you see the check mark, which is to do. If I click on that, it'll open up the tasks. Now, I can add a new task just by clicking and typing in that area and clicking on add. But you see there's some things at the bottom too. I can add a due date right here, a remind me, and a repeat. Or if I click add, now there's my task. And if I click on it, now it adds those same elements over here in a pull-out window that lets you edit. So in here, I can add it to my day. I can have it remind me when I want it to remind me about this task. So tomorrow, I can add a due date next week. I can have it repeat. I can also add steps if I need to add different steps into it, just by clicking and adding. And there's my step. Now, I can categorize it if I like by color coding it. I can also add files if I wanted to add a file to it for something to remember later, and notes. Now, when I'm done, I can just hide the view, and all of that information is automatically saved in here. If I click on it, right, it's all inside there saved. I can edit it if I need to. Now, when I am done with this task, if I need to edit, I can do that, and now I can say I completed it. So that's your way to be able to update that task on completion. This is the grid view. I can also do the list view and click on the drop down, and there's the information about it. And again, clicking on it opens up all the details of it. Now I have test one, the sub step in there. And that is how you work with tasks.